Welcome to a powerful speaking practice session here on English Avenue Daily. Today, we are trying a new shadowing method that feels like real conversation practice. Instead of repeating sentences in the same way, you will practice like a real dialogue. Questions and answers. This method is very powerful because real life is not a monologue. People ask questions, and you answer, and sometimes you ask questions too. So today, we will do 2 rounds. Round 1, I will ask the questions, and you will speak the answers during the pause. This helps you answer quickly and confidently. Round 2, you will ask the questions, and I will say the answers. This helps you ask questions clearly and naturally. In both rounds, each sentence is repeated 2 times for strong shadowing practice. All right, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Round 1, I ask, you answer. I say each question 2 times. You answer 2 times. Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Which is more difficult for you, speaking or listening? Which is more difficult for you, speaking or listening? Do you translate in your mind before speaking? Do you translate in your mind before speaking? What do you do when your mind goes blank? What do you do when your mind goes blank? Do you practice speaking out loud every day? Do you practice speaking out loud every day? What is one small habit that can improve your speaking? What is one small habit that can improve your speaking? Do you use shadowing to practice English? Do you use shadowing to practice English? Do you copy only words or also tone? Do you copy only words or also tone? Do subtitles help your listening or slow you down? Do subtitles help your listening or slow you down? What is a smart way to use subtitles? What is a smart way to use subtitles? What kind of content should you listen to for better listening skills? What kind of content should you listen to for better listening skills? Do you learn vocabulary as single words or phrases? Do you learn vocabulary as single words or phrases? Why are phrases more useful than single words? Why are phrases more useful than single words? What do you do if you forget a word while speaking? What do you do if you forget a word while speaking? How can you build confidence without pressure? How can you build confidence without pressure? Do you record your voice to improve pronunciation? Do you record your voice to improve pronunciation? What do you focus on when listening to yourself? What do you focus on when listening to yourself? Do you need to fix every mistake? Do you need to fix every mistake? What is a simple daily routine for improving English? What is a simple daily routine for improving English? How do you stay motivated when progress feels slow? How do you stay motivated when progress feels slow? What is a small win in speaking English? What is a small win in speaking English? What is a small win in listening English? What is a small win in listening English? Do you compare yourself to native speakers? Do you compare yourself to native speakers? Why is comparing yourself to your past self better? Why is comparing yourself to your past self better? What is one sentence you can say to build confidence? What is one sentence you can say to build confidence? Do you feel more confident when you practice regularly? Do you feel more confident when you practice regularly? What do you do when you don't know how to answer? What do you do when you don't know how to answer? Do you prefer questions or long conversations? Do you prefer questions or long conversations? How do you make your answers sound more natural? How do you make your answers sound more natural? What phrase do you use to start your opinion politely? What phrase do you use to start your opinion politely? Do you practice listening to different accents? Do you practice listening to different accents? What do you do if someone speaks too fast? What do you do if someone speaks too fast? Do you feel comfortable speaking on the phone? Do you feel comfortable speaking on the phone? How do you practice speaking without a partner? How do you practice speaking without a partner? What helps you remember vocabulary longer? What helps you remember vocabulary longer? Do you feel discouraged when you make mistakes? Do you feel discouraged when you make mistakes? How do you stay consistent when you feel busy? How do you stay consistent when you feel busy? How do you improve pronunciation without stress? How do you improve pronunciation without stress? Is confidence more important than perfect grammar? Is confidence more important than perfect grammar? What is your goal for this month? What is your goal for this month? Round 2. You ask. I answer. Yes, I do. But I am learning to speak anyway. Yes, I do. But I am learning to speak anyway. Speaking is harder for me, especially in real situations. Speaking is harder for me, especially in real situations. Yes, and it makes me pause too much. Yes, and it makes me pause too much. I stay calm and use simple words. I stay calm and use simple words. Not every day, but I am trying to be consistent. Not every day, but I am trying to be consistent. Repeating sentences out loud for 10 minutes daily helps a lot. Repeating sentences out loud for 10 minutes daily helps a lot. Yes, shadowing helps me copy rhythm and pronunciation. Yes, shadowing helps me copy rhythm and pronunciation. I copy tone, rhythm, and stress, not just words. I copy tone, rhythm, and stress, not just words. They help at first, but I reduce them slowly. They help at first, but I reduce them slowly. I listen without subtitles first, then check later. I listen without subtitles first, then check later. I choose content I enjoy, so I stay consistent. I choose content I enjoy, so I stay consistent. I learn phrases because they are easier to use. I learn phrases because they are easier to use. Phrases help me speak faster and sound natural. Phrases help me speak faster and sound natural. I explain in another way. Instead of stopping, I explain in another way. Instead of stopping, I speak to myself and practice simple topics. I speak to myself and practice simple topics. Yes, it helps me notice mistakes and improve faster. Yes, it helps me notice mistakes and improve faster. I focus on clarity, pronunciation, and smooth speaking. I focus on clarity, pronunciation, and smooth speaking. No. I fix 1 or 2 mistakes at a time. No. I fix 1 or 2 mistakes at a time. I do 10 minutes listening and 10 minutes shadowing daily. I do 10 minutes listening and 10 minutes shadowing daily. I track small wins, like fewer pauses. I track small wins, like fewer pauses. Speaking 1 sentence smoothly is a win. Speaking 1 sentence smoothly is a win. Understanding 1 more sentence is progress. Understanding 1 more sentence is progress. No. I compare myself to my past self. No. I compare myself to my past self. It keeps me motivated and shows real improvement. It keeps me motivated and shows real improvement. I can improve my English with daily practice. I can improve my English with daily practice. Yes, I do. Because repetition builds confidence. Yes, I do. Because repetition builds confidence. I stay calm and give a simple answer. I stay calm and give a simple answer. I like both, but questions build quick thinking. I like both, but questions build quick thinking. I use common phrases and full sentences. I use common phrases and full sentences. I say, in my opinion. I say, in my opinion. Yes, it helps me understand more people. Yes, it helps me understand more people. I ask them politely to slow down. I ask them politely to slow down. Not yet, but I am improving. Not yet, but I am improving. I speak to myself and record voice notes. I speak to myself and record voice notes. I review and reuse in real sentences. I review and reuse in real sentences. Sometimes, but mistakes are normal. Sometimes, but mistakes are normal. I do short practice instead of skipping. I do short practice instead of skipping. I focus on 1 sound and repeat daily. I focus on 1 sound and repeat daily. Yes, confidence matters more than perfect grammar. Yes, confidence matters more than perfect grammar. My goal is to speak with fewer pauses. My goal is to speak with fewer pauses. Amazing work today. This role-play shadowing style builds real speaking skills. You practiced answering and asking. Tomorrow, repeat this again and focus on smoother rhythm and stronger confidence. And if you finished both rounds, comment, I practiced both roles today.